Hey guys, we're back. This is the final version of the Grant fan project. We've got it up and running. So if you saw the sped up video of the footage of us putting it together, we had a little trouble balancing it, but got it together. This is low on the remote. Here's medium on the remote. That's just a Hampton Bay remote that Grant got at Habitat. Here's high on the remote. And at some point we're probably going to get some LEDs for it. And it has a dimmer. So, personally, I wouldn't have needed a fan with a light on it in this space, but Grant's wife likes a lot of light. So, I don't really like overhead lights much. I like the table lamps, and I love the cove lighting. I think it's so cool that they have the cove lighting there, as you can see in the video. But I don't really like overhead lighting. The only place I have an overhead light is over like a table. Oh. But other than that, I have all. Yeah, so let's do the spin down. And I'm pleased with how it came out. I think, first of all, it looks really nice in here. But second of all,
it looks better than the white did.
Oh yeah, we did a good job with the balancing too. I was a little worried about how that was going to turn out at first, but that actually balanced really well.
Yeah,
barely shakes at all. And if it sometimes it levels out or changes after it's been up for a bit. So if it gets worse, then either you can try your hand at it or I'll come back.
Which just measure the ceiling, this equal distance, equal balance.
Yep.
So.
I mean, sometimes, so another thing that can happen is wood sometimes will change density with time because of differences in moisture and humidity and stuff like that. But we know that's not the issue here because we could visibly see the reason why it was out of balance was because they were bent. Yeah. So we know the issue is but they're pretty close. They're within an inch of each other now. And so thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed our fan adventure. And I'll just let it finish spinning, and then that'll be it for today. And big thanks to Grant and his wife for letting us. Wow, I feel special. Actually, Grant did the bulk of the work this time around.
Yeah.
I was happy to do as much of it as necessary, but I thought it would be beneficial for him to do it since we work with these every day. Well, not every day. We work with them many days at Habitat, but he doesn't.
Mount them.
Right. So I do, but I don't. The last time Grant hung one was 20 years ago, so it's probably a good idea.
But now they come in and say, "What do I do with my fan wiggles?"
Yeah. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, guys.